In this video I will show you how you can delete your Snapchat account permanently. For that, open Snapchat. Go to Profile on top left corner. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and find I Need Help. Search for Delete My Account. And click on How do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account? Open Snapchat Accounts portal by clicking here. Type your username, email, or mobile number. And click Next. Then type your password. And click Next. If you forget your password, you can watch the video linked in the description. Then go to Delete My Account. Type your password again. And click Continue. Your account is now successfully deactivated. If you don't activate your account within 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, App Techies.